Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome back after the Diwali break. Are you all ready for your studies now? Yes, so get ready for your moral science module. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Look and Say chapter 3 in your moral science book, that is Thinking About Values. Are you all ready with your books, that is Thinking About Values? Now open your books at page number 34. Chapter number 3, Look and Say. They have given some pictures. Now we have to understand what these pictures are saying and think in your mind whether these are right or wrong. Look at these pictures carefully. See what this man is doing. He is washing dishes. Yes, bartan dho rahe hain na. He is washing dishes, cleaning the dishes. And see, by turning on the tap, he is wasting water. Water is very precious, so we should not waste. While cleaning, the dishes, we have to keep the tap off. Okay? Keep the tap off, and we have to clean it. When we have to clean it with water, then only we have to turn on the tap. This way we can save water. Next is, are these people using water carefully? Now we have to check what they are doing. See, this girl is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth, but she has turned on the tap. She is also wasting the water. Do we have to do like this? हमें ब्रश ऐसे करना चाहिए? No. When we are brushing our teeth, we should keep the tap off. Turn the tap off. Okay? When we have to rinse our mouth, then only we have to turn it on. Okay? We should save the water. Here also, the boy is playing with the water and this lady is washing clothes. They also have turned on the tap. This is also not good. Here we are getting water. But in rural areas, the people who live at roadside, they are not getting water. Okay, ask them the value of water. They have value of each drop of water. And here at home we are wasting water. This is not good. Turn the page. Page number 36. Explain how water is being wasted in each picture. हमें बताना है कि वे कैसे वेस्ट. See, he is throwing waste in the water. By doing this also, water गंदा हो रहा है ना. Water is becoming dirty. We cannot drink this water. We cannot take bath even in this water. We cannot even wash our clothes by throwing our garbage in the water. Yes, so we should not do this. Think some points how they are wasting water. See, do we have to do water the plants like this? ऐसे देते हैं क्या water को, plants को water with the bucket? No, this is not a right method. This is a wrong way to give water to the plants. Here, by giving this, pressure आएगा water का. Our plants also will fall. Vegetables also they will get spoil. सब कुछ spoil हो जाएगा. इनको पाइप से, okay, hose से water देना चाहिए. We should not give water like this to the plants. Here, cow is drinking water. Here they have made a space, but the tap is on. See, the water is, they are wasting water. Water is coming out of this. Yes, so this is also not good. So have you understood how they are wasting water? By turning on the tap, by giving water to the plants with the bucket, by throwing garbage in the water, in the pond. They are spoiling the water. Spoil हो रहा है ना हमारा water. Very. Now next is why it is important to save water. Water को सेव करना important क्यों है? Why? From where these birds will drink water, from where the animals will drink water, we can save by putting some water in the utensil or any other थिंक कोई भी हमने एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स के लिए एक जगह या स्पेस बनाई होती है ऐसे वाटर ड्रिंक करने के लिए, वी कैन पुट वाटर इन दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉशिंग द फ्लोर लाइक दिस वी कैन यूज बकेट और मग. यस, तो वाई विद द पाइप? ये जो हम पानी ऐसे वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, वी कैन गिव दिस वाटर टू द प्लांट्स. हम ये वाटर प्लांट्स को दे सकते हैं ना. वाटर वेस्ट करना तो अच्छा नहीं है. Sometime we also it happens in our buildings, in our homes कि मोटर खराब हो जाती है, डैमेज हो जाती है, तो we should call the plumber और इलेक्ट्रीशियन. तब तक वाटर नहीं आता, आरओ में भी खत्म हो जाता है, तो हमें पता चलता है ना कि अरे थोड़ा सा पानी रख लेते, बॉटल में ही बच जाता. कितनी वैल्यू तब पता चलती है ना हमें वाटर की. सेम वे here also in this picture they are showing how they are wasting water. Instead of wasting like this, they can give water to the plants. They can save water for the animals or birds. Yes, instead of washing the floor or giving water to the plants with this pipe, they can use bucket or mug, but not like this. Water के लिए तो एक plants को देने ऐसे नहीं देने. Not like this. This is not a correct way. Okay, this is not a correct way. Understood? So we should have to save water. Now turn the page. Always remember. Page number 38. Water is very important. Water बहुत important है. We use water for many things. कितनी सारी चीजों के लिए वाटर यूज करते हैं. फॉर वॉशिंग, फॉर बाथिंग, फॉर ब्रशिंग, फॉर कुकिंग, फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, फॉर कुकिंग, सो मेनी थिंग्स. यस, वाटर इज प्रेशियस. वी कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट वाटर टू ड्रिंक. वी मस्ट यूज वाटर केयरफुली. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, पूरा ग्लास फिल करवाते हैं वाटर का. यस, उसमें से इतना सा वाटर ड्रिंक करते हैं, बाकी वाटर वेस्ट. We should not do like this. If we have to drink water, if we are feeling very thirsty, so we should take water in small amount first. And if we have to drink more, we can refill it. हम उसको refill भी तो कर सकते हैं ना. Instead of wasting, we can drink 2 times. थोड़ा थोड़ा वाटर लेके ड्रिंक कर सकते हैं. Yes, तो ऐसे वाटर को हम सेव कर सकते हैं. Save water. Most of the water on earth is in sea and ocean. Sea और ocean देखे ना, बड़े बड़े नदी होते हैं, जो बहुत बड़े oceans होते हैं जहां पे ships चलते हैं. yes, देखिए है ना, उसमें होता है water, सबसे ज्यादा water. रिवर तो स्मॉल होती है, पॉन्ड उससे भी स्मॉल होता है. सी और oceans होते हैं बहुत बड़े होते हैं, बहुत बड़े. उसमें होता है वाटर सबसे ज्यादा. बट इट इज सॉल्टी. वहां का जो वाटर होता है वो सॉल्टी होता है. वी कैन नॉट ड्रिंक दैट वाटर. हम वो वाटर ड्रिंक नहीं कर सकते. वो प्यूरिफाई होके हमारे पास आता है. द वाटर विच इज नॉट सॉल्ट इज मच लेस. जो वाटर सॉल्टी नहीं है वो बहुत कम है, लेस अमाउंट है उसका. सो डोंट वेस्ट वाटर. सी हाउ दे आर सेविंग इवन अ 1 drop of water. Okay, so we should not waste water. We should save water. Understood? Follow these rules. Turn off taps completely. If the taps are not in use, अगर हमारा यूज उससे खत्म हो गया है और अभी रुक के करना है, don't turn off the tap. Turn off the tap when the taps are not in use. Don't waste even a single drop of water. वो बोलते हैं ना, बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. अगर आप कोई वाटर, आपका टैप, आपका लीकेज है, तो आप उसके नीचे ग्लास और बोल और पॉट रखोगे तो इट विल गेट फिल. वो भर जाएगा विद 1 drop of water. एक एक ड्रॉप ड्रिपलिंग होता रहेगा, वो भरता जाएगा. Don't leave the tap on when brush your teeth. While brushing your teeth, don't leave the tap on. Okay? Keep the tap off. Tell an adult when you spot a leaking tap or pipe. जब आप कोई देखते हो कि कोई पाइप लीक हो रहा है और पाइप और टैप लीक हो रहा है, एडल्ट मतलब किसी बड़े को, मम्मा पापा दादू दादी दीदी भैया, किसी को भी बता देते हैं. देन दे विल कॉल द प्लम्बर फॉर रिपेयरिंग इट. कोई भी पाइप से या कोई भी टैप से पानी टपक रहा है, ओके, बह रहा है, तो यू शुड टेल टू योर एडल्ट, योर मम्मी पापा दादू दादी और दीदी भैया को. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 39 पेज नंबर. Every drop counts. Look at each picture. The water drop has a message about saving water. What is the water drop saying in each picture? Write the message. अब इस water drop में क्या बोल रहे हैं? What they are using? It is a mirror image. उल्टा लिखा हुआ ये. Look in the mirror and read the message. You can stand in front of the mirror or you can take the mirror, small mirror. तो उसको ऊपर ऐसे ग्लास को ऐसे करेंगे तो उसमें सीधा मैसेज आ जाएगा. So I'm going to tell you this. This is your homework. I'm not going to write it. You will write it. Don't waste water. Okay? Don't turn off the tap. I'm telling you verbally. Okay? Repair leaking taps. Leaking taps को repair करवाना है. And here's a special message for you. Can you read it? So I'm going to read it for you and you have to write here. Save water. Use only as much as you need. Every drop counts. Every drop is important. Every drop of water is important. So don't waste water. Okay? Turn the page now. Save water. Fill in the blanks. Look at each picture. Cross out one letter in each column and find the hidden word. Write the word in the blank and complete the sentence. Turn off the tap while brushing. So first we will write here B R U S H I N G. Brushing. Turn off the tap while brushing. Save water by having a bucket bath instead of shower. S H O W E R. शार. बकेट से नहाना चाहिए, शार से नहीं. Turn off the tap. Don't leave it dripping. ड्रिपिंग मतलब बहता हुआ नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. D R I P P I N G. Dripping. Don't throw leftover water. Use it to water plants. जो बचा हुआ पानी है बॉटल्स में रह जाता है, ओके, यूटेंसिल्स में रह जाता है, पॉट में रह जाता है, उसको वाटर को दे देना, वाटर्स में, प्लांट्स में डाल देना चाहिए. उसको वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. PLANTS, प्लांट्स. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट इज Have you all done this? Brushing, shower, dripping, plants. Next is draw one way in which you manage to save water. This is your homework. Here you have to draw one way in which you manage to save water. कि हम water को कैसे save कर सकते हैं. Here you have to draw it. Okay, my dear students? Understood? The importance of water? We should not waste water. Water is very important. Each drop of water counts. Okay, we should save water. Don't spoil water. Don't water plants like this. Don't don't keep the tap on. Give water to the plants instead of wasting. Understood? Read it, try to understand, and write some points anywhere. You can write here also some important points. Okay, wherever you are getting space in your books, you can write some important points. Okay, students? Bye bye.